Yo, what's going on? Doing well. Just testing out some stuff, working, and I wanted to show you a preview of the buffed out Fender here that I did just now. And I also did this door on the Daihatsu here. So I just wanted to give you a quick sneak peek and show you what I did to get this result. Looking really, really good if you ask me. It's like a piece of glass. You can see the flake in it. Tell me what you think. It's like a mirror. Now, obviously, it's going to look different in the sun. I mean, it's dark. I got fluorescent lights. It's not as beautiful as it should be. Actually, this is micro sequence flake, guys. This is mini flake. Mini flake. What do you think? Does it look pretty good or what? It's like a mirror, actually. What's going on? It'll give you a totally different look in the sun. So I can't wait to see this thing in the sun. So I did the Fender only. This is the not finished product. That's what it looked like before and after. So you could see the difference here. Like I said, 1500 grit and then two and then buffed out. You can kind of see it like this. This is how it's supposed to look when it's finished. Give you another look like this. Okay, so it's not done, obviously. We got to finish the car. This fender is done. Now, a nice light coat of wax will really make it pop even more. It feels like you're rubbing your hand on a piece of glass. So if you like this, hit the thumbs up quickly, and I will show you the Daihatsu. All right, so this piece is done. We basically got to do the rest of the car. It takes a lot of time, right? But I did the process. So I did a wool pad. We used a yellow wool pad, cutting pad, with my Power Cut Plus Meguiar's. Oh, it's not Meguiar's, it's Auto Magic. My mistake. All right. Power Cut Plus, step one. What's up, Juan? What's up, Mad Max? Time consuming, but when you're done, it looks freaking awesome. This thing is going to look really good in the sun, all finished up, you know, all cleaned up, bells and whistles. It's going to look sick. All right, and this is when you got showroom paint job, basically. All right, it really feels nice. And again, this is before, after. All right, let me show you the truck here. We did the same process on the truck door tonight. I was bored, feeling sorry for myself, so I said, let me come in the truck. Let me come in the shop and do some buffing. All right. So again, step one, wool pad, Power Cut Plus. Step two, I used this other buffer. Now, you can get the same results, right, putting a foam pad on here. The only problem is you may have a little swirl mark in dark surfaces. You're not going to notice it in paint jobs like these colors here, but on a black or dark green, you may notice some swirl marks. Very, very light, but I think the wax will actually cover it up. All right, so we did the same thing on this door panel here. So you can see the white, literally like glass. You can't really see much like this here. You can see this a lot because it's dark. And then we got the blue here, the teal. You can kind of see it. Again, once this thing is in the sun, you'll be able to tell a little bit better. It's really hard to show you how glossy it is the way it is here, you know? Maybe if I open the door. you know. Anyway, wanted to give you guys a sneak peek. Drink beer, buff, wax, repeat. Hey, buddy, check it. Check it. Check it. Anyway, guys, just wanted to go live quick, show you what I'm doing. Monday night, just wanted to test. I was just getting antsy because I wanted to finish these freaking cars. So I was like, let me do this door. And then after the door, I'm like, let me do the fender because it's right here. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? So anyway, hope all is well, guys. This is going to be in VIP. Just wanted to show you a quick sample. I'm also going to have videos on YouTube. So, you know, hopefully you guys will like those videos, I hope. If not, then it is what it is. All right. Tony, does the 50% off on the X16 apply to the... What's up? Genesis. Oh, yeah. If you can see, the runs are sanded out. No more runs. Right? Remember there was a couple of runs right there? There was also a couple of runs right here. They're all buffed out, sanded out. You can't even see them. Ever hear of UAE Adams polish? No. No, I have not. So, guys, the questions come in and they disappear so quickly. Like, I can't, sometimes I can't, you gotta have to retype it. Yeah, so I'm streaming from the mobile phone right now. And this is looking good. This is no wax on it yet. I just finished it off with, what color is the Mazda dark green? It's an original green. It's an emerald original green. Factory color. Yeah, it came out really nice. I just have to finish it. Yeah, it's a factory color, guys. 50% off X16 isn't working for the X21, only the MPL. It is working, guys. It's working. If you add any of the large spray guns, X20, X21, high volume or low volume, low pressure, right? They will give you a pop-up where you can add the mini X16 to your order for half off. Dust is sticking to it, static. If you're having a problem, please contact the support girls. They're actually on right now, and they could help you out with that. All right? What's up, Hank? VIP here. What's going on? Hey guys, nice to see everybody on here tonight. Everybody's on late. So, like I said in the beginning of the video, I was in the garage. I wanted to buff this door out for the Daihatsu, and I wanted to kind of show you a quick preview. I just finished this fender. Now I got to do the hood, door, turbo boost this sucker. Yeah, this sucker's gonna look really sweet when it's done, guys. It's almost done. I'm gonna actually gloss black the mirrors, gloss black the top, and then pretty much done. Maybe I'll even gloss black this cap, whatever, you know, I don't know yet. Hood's done. Not the hood, but the trunk. Trunk's done. I need to wax it. I got water spots on it now. Crap. Still got to buff a little bit of in here. You know, I mean, little by little, you know, little by little, guys. Little by little, guys. But the fender came out freaking great. It's going to look great. All right. So again, step one, wool pad, Power Cup Plus, buff it till it comes shiny, shiny, right? You have to apply that probably 2-3 times. Just keep buffing it. You want to get it as shiny as possible at that stage. Then when you're done, you wipe it off with a rag, Okay, you want to take off any, yes, House of Color clear. You want to take off any, dust and lint, whatever you got on it. Then what you're going to do is use this sucker. It's a DA, a torque machine that I got from, what the hell's that company? You guys know what I'm talking about. Chemical Guys. They rebrand and sell this. And I used with some of this junk. It really doesn't matter. I could have used this, or I could have used any of the fine glaze is gonna work. So don't get hung up and stuck up on what stuff you should use, because this would give me the same result. Perfected 3000 swirl mark remover. This is really good stuff, especially for dark colors. You can use it for light colors as well. All right, it's a cream. It's a cream glaze that gets rid of your swirl marks or any type of fine hair marks that you have in it after buffing with the wool pads. So that's what I did. Like I said, you can replace this out with a foam pad, which I have. All right, and you could get the same result. You don't need that second machine. This is old. I need to get a new pad here, but this is an old one. You could get the same result with this. But like I said, it's kind of better to have a DA style orbiter like that machine, because you're guaranteed not to get swirl marks. With the other one, you can get a little bit of swirl marks. Yeah, so it came out pretty sick. I reuse these wool pads. I wash them out. First, I hit them with the screwdriver. I put them on high speed, get a screwdriver. I show you how to do that. Clean them out, take all the dust out. And then once they start getting too caked up, then I wash them. You can wash them and reuse them until they get thin. And they will get thin. And if they start getting too thin, you got to be careful, because this centerpiece will start hitting. So you can keep reusing it, man, until it gets thin. This one, I got a ways to go. I'll probably be able to finish out these two projects. With this one wool pad. Not too, I got 2 quarter panels, 2 doors, a hood, and then this truck to do. So not too bad. All right, guys, smash the like button. It was nice touching base. In there soon. I think, are we back or what's going on?